Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ULEFONE Note 18 Ultra, and let me share with you how to enable the Google backup on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Then let's tap on backup and tap on next. Tap on add account and make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required. You can use Wi-Fi or mobile data, it's up to you. And here we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone, so let me do it. And tap on next. Right here we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Alright, and tap on next. So here we have to decide who will be using this device, so just mark the option and tap on next. Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so just tap on the option and learn more, and tap on I agree after reading. Tap on the account, and here you can decide what kind of data you want to back up, so photos and videos or other device data, including device settings and text messages. So just mark the option. I'll choose only this one, but you can of course choose both, and tap on manage backup. And here we've got the backup section where you can check how much space you've got left. You can manage the storage, so for example remove some unnecessary files. Under it you've got backup details, so you can check what has already been backed up, advanced settings, and to be honest I highly recommend to keep this option turned off so you can avoid some charges. And to finish everything, simply tap on backup now, and from now on your device will back up the data. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Of course, confirm everything. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.